Hey you guys, this is Jason from SoCal Accessories. Today I'm going to be showing you guys step by step how to install the new fog covers on the Type R Civic. So we're going to be replacing these with the new OEM ones that we purchased. When I purchased these, they didn't used to have aftermarket ones, but now they do make aftermarket ones that are a lot cheaper. But anyways, for aftermarket or OEM, step by step should be exactly the same. Alright you guys, so first you're going to start off by removing 21 clips from the top, okay? You're going to remove all these here that I'm pointing at. So it's 21 clips total. You could use a plastic pry bar or a metal clip remover. When you guys pry it upward, can you give me a clip remover? When you guys pry the clips up, especially towards these on the front, don't put the tool this way and pry this way because you will damage your paint. Same thing goes for the eyelid area. Don't put it this way and pry forward. You guys want to put the tool sideways or towards this back end when you push to pop the clips off, okay? That way you guys don't damage your paint. After that, we're going to pop off the side markers. So to do that, you just get your finger back here, you push forward, or you could get a clip remover or a flat screwdriver. You just push it forward and it's going to snap out. Okay, once you snap that out, you can take it off. Mine is wired because it's a switchback, but if you have the OEM ones, it's going to pop right out, and then you could either disconnect it or twist the socket to remove that. Then we're going to use an angle bit here to remove these, okay? So for sure the top two have to come off on both sides. These two did not have to come off, it's just the top two. These just hold the lip to the bumper. Alright you guys, so after that, you got to remove this 10 from the bottom. You have a couple of clips you have to remove, the ones towards the, basically follow this line. So you got that clip, you got to remove this one. You got a Allen you have to remove right there, and then a few more clips here. And you're going to do the same thing, follow this line, and you're going to remove them on the other side, and also don't forget that 10 on the other side also. After that, you should be able to remove the bumper. It's a lot easier if you have somebody helping you, so that you could unplug the fog lights while you're removing it, or if you could reach your hands up here after you take off these clips, unlatch the fog lights before you pull the bumper forward. Alright you guys, so there's one more 10 that I forgot to point out. It's right there, one on each side. Alright you guys, to remove the eyelids, you have a little tab in there, you just push downward and then it snaps out of place, and then the same thing for the second piece. Okay, and the eyelid gets disconnected. That way it's not clipped onto the headlight when you pull the bumper forward. For these top ones, we're not going to remove all these little clips, so we're just going to push this towards the back. Since those are removed, we're going to lift this forward, and for us we're just going to arch this backwards so that we don't have to pop off all the little clips, but you could pop those off if you want. You just get like a needle nose plier, pinch them together and they'll come out, and then just remember to put them back when you put the bumper back together. Once you take those off, then the whole bumper will come off. Alright you guys, so to remove the OEM caps, you have to take one of these off on each side. So you pry that or pop that clip off, and then besides that you need all these tabs to come out to push this forward, okay? So you could use a flat screwdriver or a plastic pry bar. Basically, here, hold this. So basically, you take off this clip. Why do you like using a little? Alright, so you take that clip off. And then when you pry this, basically you want to be pushing while you pry it up. So that's why I need both hands. So you get that tab to sit higher than this tab, and then you push upward. Or push outward. Okay, sometimes the other ones may start falling easy, sometimes the teeth are holding them on pretty good. So like for example, I'm pushing over here, this one doesn't want to go out. You kind of slant that so it lifts the pressure up, and then it will slide right out, okay? These two don't have any teeth. like tabs holding them in. So you do the same thing on this side. And you repeat that step for the last two. Okay. Alright guys, so after you pop those off, this old one comes off. Alright you guys, so we're taking off that one and we're replacing it with this new style one with that little painted eyelid. To put it on, you're going to put it from the front and you literally just pop it in to slide it. So I'll show you. Alright you guys, so for this corner, you want to line this corner in first, get all these teeth in. Then you get those teeth to go in and you push it that way. Okay, so you want to hear all of them clip in. You want to start from this side first. A lot of people start on this side first, but then the teeth on this side will be, the little tabs will be sticking outward. And if you are pushing and you're standing on this side, you're going to get those little tabs to end up marking up your paint because they're going to be sticking right here and you're going to try pushing pressure. If you're not looking from this side, you're not going to see that they're going to be like digging into your paint, okay? You're going to do the exact same thing on the other side. All right, you guys, after you pop them in, you just pop that clip back in place. And that's it for this install. Super easy. All you do is put the bumper back on exactly like you took it off. All right, you guys, so that's the new caps. Hopefully this video was helpful for you guys on how to install them. If you liked it, please like the video and subscribe for more.